So we're going to send the kids to school. And today is Thursday, 29th of August. Very typical weekdays. Ganito yung ginagawa namin every Monday to Friday. Hatid sundo. The sun is facing us right now. But yes, it's okay. Looks like hindi ko nadala pala yung sanis ko. It's a little traffic this moment. Parents are taking their kids to school. Kaya ma-traffic. Ibang-iba pa naman dito sa US guys kasi hindi siya like in the Philippines. Usually we walk to school, di ba? But ngayon yung generations, I don't know, mostly nga sa Philippines nagsakay na rin. Wala na masyadong nag-walk ba. But here in the USA, usually talaga hatid sundo ng parents or nakabus. School bus sila.
Not entirely true, because you notice the kids who live near the school in those neighborhoods behind the school.
Well, if you're close, yeah, if you're very close to the school, pero if you're like what, mga 2 kilometer away. And I don't.
No, I'd say a kilometer or
I don't
maybe
think it's
2.
I don't think also it's a good idea for Yashley to walk kasi hindi pa nila alam yung may patakaran dito. They have a law policy in crossing a street. Hindi natin alam, di ba? They cannot read yet.
It's too far for Yashley and too much traffic.
Did you say?
You forget how much I've walked this area.
She was like, I don't want to walk.
Oh, she'd have to leave like an hour before class to walk down there.
Really? Balitag, inguna na outfit. You like it, Nicole?
Oversize?
Dili oversize.
Wala nang gisuot kay. Balik ko gusto.
Bye, Ashley. Enjoy your school. Bye. Seatbelt, Nicole. Bye. Bye. Be good. Bye-bye. This house there, kani gyud amo sige kakitaan ba guys? Dira, wait. Here, here. That's a very nice house. There. Na. Lagi ko yung nakikita pag pumupunta kami sa school ni Nicole.
Looks like until the school opens before they drop their kids.
It is already 7:49. So I'm sure they're already open.
7:50 kinaulay ginagkuan.
We are here at Nicole's school. Busy. Ang daming cars.
Right.
So bye,
Have a good
Nicole.
day.
Enjoy
All
your
right.
school. Bye.
Bye.
Alam nyo, nakikita ko like most kids on this school naka-phone. Nakita akong student naka-eyelash extension.
Yeah.
Eyelash extension, naka-makeup, and then how old are they? Like Nicole, 12 and 13.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But anyway, wala naman tayong pakialam dyan kasi it's their business. Wala lang ba, maano lang natin, ma-compare natin na sa Pinas, di ba? Like there are some kids also na they're trying to make themselves pretty, pero we're not really doing that kind of like, makeup talaga na. Makeup? No. We're not doing that. But iba nga sa US. Got home, guys. What time is it? 8:27. Sakit ng kamay ko. Naipit. Meron kaming basura doon ba sa labas or sa backyard. Kasi every Thursday, it's trash day sa subdivision na to. So lagi namin lalabas namin lahat ng basura every Thursday morning. So nagmamadali ako kasi baka dadating na yung truck na magpipick up ng trash. Sakit talaga. Binangga. Hindi ako binangga. She ran over me and nagmamadali akong isarado yung yung sarado doon. Kasi pakalalabas. Ayun, naipit tuloy. So, 29. Ang bilis ng ang bilis ng araw. Days are so fast approaching. Mabilis talaga. Lagyan natin ng natin. Basura. Guys. Very sunny outside. Hala, nangit. Ay, coffee. Coffee ulit tayo, guys. Nakapag-coffee na ako kanina. But then, I wanted to... Do you want this? This is yours.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Ay, duha din din.
Be here in like 20 minutes.
20 minutes. So yung student niya pupunta dito in 20 minutes. Isa tabi, there's 2. This is apple fritter. His favorite. There are two. Can I have one? Ay. Babe.
Yeah, you can have one.
Okay. Mag-coffee din ako. Ay, kigi. Kulang ang 1 cup of coffee. Maglihis lang tayo ng tubig. So mamaya guys, maybe we'll be going, like akong Goodwill mamaya siguro kami. Kasi hahanapan ko ng blazer si Ashley. Tomorrow, they will be having photo, taking pictures back from school. Kasi yun yung ilalagay nila sa kanilang yearbook. And of course, ayoko naman na si Ashley magbukhang doon. Mura lang naman sa Goodwill guys. It's like ukay-ukay with a class. Nakahanger lahat, aircon yung store. But then, usually, yung pinakamura lang doon, I saw it like around mga $7. Pre-love na items, but at the same time, it's not really like sobrang used na talaga. Kasi marami silang mga branded na mga items doon, branded na mga clothes na hindi mo naman siya mabibili talaga ng like $7 lang. Kalat is life kasi we had kids that needed attention. So, just so you know, nag-e-explain pa talaga no? Nag-e-explain pa talaga. Yung time ko talaga when it comes to like linis, pag nakabalik na from school. Labor Day pala on September 2 here sa USA. Sobrang ganda ng Labor Day nila dito guys. Unlike sa Philippines, walang ganito. I don't know. But yeah, here in the USA, when it's Labor Day, there's so many stores out there na naka-on sale. When I say on sale talaga. Naka-Labor Day sale. We plan on going to the furniture row again to see what's available. Kasi meron na kaming plan na yung aming bedroom din, we have to renovate. When I say renovate, like we have to repaint again. Like as you can see, ito pa yung old paint when Belle moved in. We're planning on change the color into light gray color. And then we are also planning on changing our bed frames because this bed frame is old. Like as you can see naman, diba, brown pa siya. So we'll be getting aesthetic na color, which is something neutral color na bed frame. But the bed with the foam, hindi na namin yan papalitan. That's because ito yung foam na sobrang pinag. I was even shocked. So sa mattress ba, I was even shocked. Like he got this mattress, ang mahal ng mattress siya guys. So sabi ko, yeah, that's for a lifetime na talaga na mattress. We will be looking for a dresser with mirror kasi marami na kami nakikita doon sa furniture row. Kaya lang, like we don't like to buy like right away everything. We have to like do it step by step. As you can see, we kinda like having little progress on our house, diba? I was here for the very first time. I think you could be able to compare what was really like the progress, you know, slowly but surely. Ito na naman tayo sa ating subscriber na sobrang bait. I mean, Ma'am Ami from New York, she already sent me a package nung nakaraan, diba? Like when we were in New York, yeah, when we got back to New York, I opened the package that she sent. And then nag-message naman siya like 2 days ago and told me that, Jenny, I sent you something. Sabi ko, nakakahiya naman. I mean, like, my husband was like actually amazed and like thankful, of course. But she was like, ganyan ka ba talaga ka-love ng subscriber mo for them to like do this for you, like sending you things? They really don't have to do that because, you know, like, I think na anong tawag dito, he was just like a little surprised kasi hindi siya sanay like that kind of gesture, like that kind of love na may mga taong nag-share ng blessings kasi hindi siya sanay. Like iba yung kanila, iba yung culture dito sa USA, diba? Very independent, di sila sanay na binibigyan kasi they work hard for themselves. So like when he knows that somebody sent me something, talagang nasusurprise siya like, grabe naman yung love and dedications ng subscriber mo for you. Hindi talaga siya sanay guys, kaya nasusurprise siya. But yeah, thank you so much Ma'am Ami for sending the package. Like paulit-ulit ko itong sinasabi kasi nahihiya po ako. Like, nahihiya ako baka ma-feel na i-reject ba. Like, nahihiya ako na sabihin na, you don't really have to send me a package. But at the same time, I'm so much grateful. Like, grateful and then thankful. Thankful pa dyan. Na the effort ba and the thought of you are thinking about me and the family, it means so much to me na may mga tao na even if they don't know me personally, they don't meet me yet, they think about me. Yung mga ganun na things. So, thank you so much for that, Ma'am Ami. Ala, yung box natin almost nasama puno, guys. Yung box ko pala na ipapadala namin sa US, ipapadala namin sa Philippines. Ayan oh. There's sentimental value about sending this package. To be honest, maybe people might think na, oy, pwede mo na mabili niyan sa Philippines kasi marami naman yan sa Philippines. Totoo. Like, totoo naman talaga na pwede mo namang ibili sa Pinas. Like, send na lang ng pera doon and sila na lang bibili. But then, yung thought, kasi guys, meron talaga akong childhood memories when it comes to like package. Oh my gosh, if I will be like telling you. Well, to make it short lang yung story background about package. Lumaki po kaming, we're not rich at all. We are really poor. Nakatira pa nga kami sa maliit na bahay, kubo na guba-guba. Maraming butas-butas yung floor. So, lagi kaming na-slide doon, na-sugatan. Kasi yung floor namin is bamboo lang ba. Like, flashback sa mind ko yung mga nangyari before. But then, this is a reality. This is true, ha? I'm just being honest with what I experienced. So, meron kami kapitbahay. I know if she's watching this, she will know. So, may kapitbahay kami na nakapangasawa ng German national. So, nakatira sila sa Germany. And they always send packages to her sister. So, nung bata kami, guys, we don't have TV, wala kaming power, we have no electricity. Pero sila, meron silang TV, meron silang electricity. So, we always go there. So, pag may package, parang na-excite kami na, hello, may package, and then merong ano ba, chocolate, yung ganon. So, they gave us naman, like, they also share their blessings. So, meron kaming chocolate na natitaste, yung mga ganon, kasi binibigyan din naman kami, and then, they let us try, diba? So, yung feeling na ganun ba, like, hala, ang sarap pala ng feeling na may package na nare-receive. And I am here in the USA, and I told my husband naman na we're not gonna do this all the time. So, like, yung pang Pasko lang ba? Like, December. So, once a year, why not, diba? So, totoo naman talaga, mahal. Kung i-compute mo lahat ng binibili mo to just fill in the box, talagang, like, sana pinera na lang. But, yung thought of like you think about them, 'di ba? Yung ganun. It's a different level. So, gagawin ko siya because December is coming and we wanted to make sure that this box will get there before Christmas, hopefully. So, yeah, yan, naka-box, naka-prepare na siya, guys. Ay, I'm so excited. Isang box lang yan kasi di ko afford marami. Ang mahal kasi ng shipping. But going out, it's already 12:56 in the afternoon. Alis kami, we're going out because nakikrave ako ng donut ba sa Stella's. Stella's Donut has the best donut here in the USA. I'm so amazed. Talaga, sobrang sarap ng donut nila dito. Nantay ko lang yung asawa ko, guys. Nasa loob pala. Nasa loob ng house. Magbaback up tayo. Magbaback up. Kailangan ko ng yung Carnival kasi maganda tong Carnival kasi for girls. Para siya, pwede siya pang babae talaga kasi auto lang siya ba. Like ito yung Chevrolet, tama ba yung pagka-pronounce? Chevrolet car. And then, pang girl talaga siya na car. Kaya gustong gusto ko ito. But, hindi pa kasi ako marunong mag-drive. Hindi pa ako yung driver talaga. But I am always like asking him mag-drive ba? Kahit dyan lang. Just there lang Like, palabas ng ng highway. Hindi na ako mag-drive sa highway. Yung palabas lang ng highway ba? Mag-lipstick pala ako, guys. Kasi, tingnan yung oy, by the way, nakapagpakulot ako today. Although, na-board kasi ako kanina, guys. 2 hours yung kanyang training earlier with his student. Ang init pala. With his student, 2 hours. Na-board ako, so magpakulot ako ng buhok. Wala akong ginagawa kasi tapos na ako maglinis. So, sige, magpakulot tayo ng buhok. Where are we going? I'm gonna drive for you, baby. I'll be your driver for today. I wanna try to speed. How do you do that when you do this?
What?
You do the speed back. The speed thing.
Speed thing?
Yeah, you do this. I know it's not working.
When you push the gas pedal, you go faster.
Ayaw na. There's so many,
stay to the right. Okay, so see where the for lease sign? Stay to the right. Alright, now you gotta keep going, keep going, keep going. You see the fire hydrant on the right?
Yes, yes.
Stop next to that. Or better yet, turn left into this drive. Turn left. There you go. Good.
Ay! Too far!
Right.
Too far. Tingnan nyo yung parking ko. Oh, ang layo ng parking. Nasa Kirkland kami, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong store to. This is a big store. Where is this? Entire store, 30% off. Wow. Thank you, baby. Horror man sila, babe. November. Wow. I was like expecting if it's Kirkland, it's like the clothes brand ba. They're actually selling different. Ayan oh. Wow. Hi guys. They have 30% off. Ay, hindi ko alam kung ano meron sila dito. Wow. Ang ganda. Bigat. Puro decoration ng bahay. Hala babe, they have mirror. Look oh. Yan oh, mirror. $59. Pero mas maganda yung nakita namin sa ano. Rose ata yun, $60 something. Malaki. Ito maliit lang to. Oh. Ah, di siya katong porcelain. Mahal. $24 for this. This one. This one is $6. But it's 30% off. That was nice.
This is $8.
For 30% off. Wala kaming binili. Where is this? What's this? Ay, sus, libro na po. Book again. Lagi naman itong naghahanap ng libro, guys. Ito yung gusto niya, libro. Ako naman, hindi. Sorry, I'm not a book lover. But he is, so... Alam nyo na, guys. We're gonna go inside Ultra Beauty. First time ko dito, guys. But let's see kung anong meron. Baka hindi. Ala, ginoo ko. Ang katamaning mga mahal ko. Ay, ha? Hello, wow. Ito yung ano, nakita ko sa video. Ay, dyan pala?
Yeah, yung spray on.
Chanel. Ay, ganun pala yun. I didn't know. It smells so good. Well, I don't think so. Well, it smells like from the... Well, maybe when it's set, it smells good. Halay, humot! Oy! Oh my gosh, they have so many perfume here. Oh, wow! Pumasok pa talaga kami dito, no? Para kaming maraming pira, no? Ayan you guys. First time kong pumasok dito, but then... Ito yung nakikita ko sa ano eh. Tester din to, babe. It's a tester. This one, oh. No. Not my smell. Ah, good thing I didn't buy. I was planning to get this, but nah, not my smell also. Oh, kanya-kanya talaga tayo ng smell, no? Kung sa iba, mabango siya, pero para sa atin, ay, this is the one you got for me. The 4, but not this. I think this one, or this one.
No, it's the one.
This one is different. This is like pinkish.
Chador.
Yeah, but the color, but it's
Oh,
something like...
It was this one.
This one is the latest.
This
one is the latest. This one. Ah, yeah. This one smells so good. The white one. This is like what you gave me before is something like... Cannot remember the color before. I think like this.
Bam.
This one, oh? Yeah, I think this one.
Yeah, it was this
And then this one is the latest. It smells so good. Wow, it's just so fresh. As in fresh na fresh.
Oh.
Hello?
And how much is it?
I have no idea. There's no price. There's price there? Ah, gosh, I like this. This one smells so good talaga, guys, if you want. Maybe they have the Divins.
This one, so it's this one. So for 1 ounce, it's $108.
Oh.
For 3.4 ounces, it's $172.
That's the white.
That's this one, yeah.
Yeah, smells good. They have the most well-known brand of perfume, guys.
Remember this
You use that one?
Yeah.
Oh,
When
you
we
use that.
first met, this was the one I was using.
Ah, when we first met, and now he's not using that perfume anymore.
Well, because I ran out, and it's not cheap.
It's not cheap. How much is that? 105. That's for men. How about let me smell? Yeah, smells good. What?
We were gonna go on Michael's.
What's in there
Did
too?
we already go?
Never. What's the entrance here? Where's the entrance here?
You're right.
What?
I don't know.
Where are we? 511. Hindi ko alam nitong isa. Sabi niya dito ka kasi mostly men, babe.
Yeah.
Ba, nagpunta kami sa anong pangalan nun? What's the name? Beauty. Ultra Beauty. So nakita ko doon yung ano guys, yung J'adore na update. Yung bagong J'adore na white yung bottle niya. Ang bango. Sobrang bango niya. Super smell. So good. Sobrang nakaka-fresh yung smell niya. Actually, dala ko yung ano sample. Meron kasi sila doon na tester ba. Nag-spray pa ako sa clothes. Smell ko yan mamaya. Pag ganun ako. Mga tester. Meron silang Chanel doon. Yung Chanel, hindi ko gusto yung smell. Ah! Yeah, it smells so good. Spray sa clothes. And then, hindi namin binili yung perfume because I still have perfume at home. And then, bumili ako ng nail polish. And then, blush ng Tint Ultra Beauty. Sa cheeks and lips to guys. And then, ito. Kasi may tester doon. Maganda siya gamitin for the skin. So, I was like, I'm gonna get that. And then, this one. Tingnan nyo. Yung dalawa na nail polish. Diba? Ito yung favorite ko talaga. Avocado. And then this one, para siyang apple, red rose, whatever. Red rose. Mula na talaga guys. Welcome to Texas. Ayan, lumakas na lalo.
Wait 10 minutes. The weather will change.
Lakas ng ulan. We are in the car. Kasi like it's like 50 meters away. Yung entrance ng store. And I have no idea if this rain will stop. We're gonna run. I'm not wearing shoes. I'm only wearing sandal. I good luck. Can run. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ay, let's go here. Kasi parang may kanal dyan.
Where are my keys?
I don't have it.
They're in my pocket. Okay.
You have it in your pocket.
Yeah. You ready?
Are you sure? Wait. Let me put my camera. Bye, guys. So we ran. We ran towards the store, guys. Basa ako konti, as you can see. But we really wanted to see what they have here. Pero sabi ni Bel, mahal daw. But let's see. Uy, nice ni oh. Uy, giatot. $40. Ay. So meron na mga pre-love siya, pero it's still like looks like so new. Kaya they are selling it like not cheap. Mahal din. Mahal din siya. You are so right. You are very right.
Yeah. They're in a really good selection, but it's a little more pricey.
It's not little more. They are really pricey. Yeah, mahal man. Shit, $25 for this. Pero nice siya. Still like looks good. Pero mahal. Ay, kanio nice ni siya. Oh. Nice siya guys. Pero ang price, taran, $50. Hi guys. We just picked Ashley from school today. Today it's 4:06 already. Uy, na school bus atong likod Yash. School bus. Mag-school bus na daw kayong sa daddy. Okay, kapo yung sa daddy kuan linya sa taas kay linya. Lagi, ano siya ganiha. So we are waiting because the train, ayan yung train guys. Dili man, you have the school bus number and the naman kay kanang ano.
Lahi man kay namay round bus 1, round bus 2.
So now we're heading to Nicole's school. It's 4:07. I think they're out nasa school right now. Hi. Mot laging nangka. Nagkagnangka.
First
Oh,
time
really?
ako gidaw na kong buhok.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, you look pretty.
Gidaw na kong buhok.
They got perfect score today. Good job, guys. So I told you, deserve nga nila yung ano,
Sauce there too.
yung binigay ni daddy na computer,
Iman si
laptop.
Mr. Morales nga nak. Ayun siya. Atong gaten ta siya di ko lang kog here. You're killing the test.
You're killing?
What?
What do you mean by you're killing the test? What does that mean, Beb?
Killing what?
You're killing the test. What does that mean?
Killing what?
You're killing the test.
That means you're doing really well.
Na nice house there, oh. Parang ano, palasyo. Looks like a palace house. Big house here, oh.
Ma.
That one, oh wow.
Look
Oh,
over here
wait
on
lang.
the left.
Oh wow. That's many chimney. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
No fireplace, but it's old, very old house.
This is,
You know, malaking bahay.
this used to be one of the best neighborhoods in Bryan.
Nice house. Very nice house then, oh.
Ma, simute.
Older
These
neighborhood.
are all old houses.
Old
These
houses
were all
here.
probably built back in the
Close to
40s
ano
and
lang to sa
50s.
school ni Nicole. We're going to the post office, guys. Humot kayo, gigutom nung ka sa Punyas.
It gets packages all the time.
Me daw, ako daw yung
You
maraming
get more
package.
packages than I do.
Ha? Wala, oy. No, I'm not. Don't tell my...
Oh, don't tell your
Don't
viewers.
tell my viewers that I'm like that. Ano ba?
Joke lang.
Joke lang. Anyway, di pa dumating yung package ni Ma'am Amy. So, the guy says, baka bukas pa yun.
Alright,
Hala, Eagle.
where are we going?
Home.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Ay, hala! Imong coffee? You have no more coffee dong.
Oh, well, I'll live.
September
I-
20 yearbook photo, full sports photo, retakes, basketball, spring photo. Naghanap pa ng photo, oy! Okay. Nataw na ni Daddy.
Unless you wanted to take them to Goodwill.
Ay, oh! I forgot!
Yes, kay palito ko sa niya.
Yes.
Day.
Yes.
Oh, they haven't been there.
Oh.
Yeah, palit ko isa.
They haven't been in Goodwill. We are in Goodwill. Let me see. Ay, shucks. Mag-prompt the ka, Nicole. You like? Never. Balik na na.
Ay, hakuan.
Put it back. Put it back. Come on. Sama ko na sila today for little shopping, guys. Goodwill lang naman to. Mga pre-love ba? Pero, look at the price. Yan, $8. Pangit naman ang choice nito. Asa man naman ay partner?
Maot ako sa sunod.
May music sila din.
For
Makapiright pa
mama.
Try this. Calvin Klein. Para picture lang ba? Ay, igo. Ano, wow.
Lanta ko sa sari.
She's slayed.
It's pretty.
She's slayed.
Nice.
Right.
Do you want that?
Why did I say that?
It looks nice. That's so nice. It's nice.
Para sa black.
Wala na siya partner. Yeah, black.
Huwag na.
Tingnan yung anak ko. Hala, may gara na. Look at me. Look at me daw. How you look like. Hala, you're so pretty. Looks good on you. Dali, come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's show that to Daddy. Come here. Let's show that to Daddy. Na, Daddy, look what I found. This one is for photo shoot.
Look,
Ay,
Daddy.
Where's the...
Dad, my mom found this.
Dara, oh.
Asa siya?
Ito sa book. Go.
Book?
Kita, Daddy. Dato ito ba libro? Go. Nahiwi naman akong camera, oy. Naunsa man ni siya, oy. She likes it. It's Calvin Klein. It's for her
I know what she'll like.
photo shoot. Manga again? Always manga? Ay, that's nice. You like it?
Sako.
That one is nice there.
This one?
No, this one. Oh, nice.
Oh.
This one. This one is nice. This one is nice. This one is nice. Hello, wow.
Ala, I like... No, anak ko, anak mo.
Huh?
Na naman ka, anak.
So you want it for yourself?
I love you.
Dako.
Who says?
Dako, ma.
I like your hair too.
Dako.
Dakan ka, ani. Ingon ka, gusto kag mga oversizes.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Kapila.
I think it's 8.
7 or 8.
Yeah, it's like $8. Yeah, but you have to check it first. Baka may damage.
Mangaway din.
Mura siya Korean.
Wow.
Oh, sige, sige kita sa amin. Mama daw.
These
Nice.
fashion.
What? You're trying to be the princess? Princess Yashli? Oh, gusto talaga to ng dress eh. Hot chocolate. Ito maganda.
Hot chocolate.
Padala na to sa Pinas, babe. And that one? Ay, wala na. It looks very old. How much is this in the ano? Oo nga, no? Nice nga yan. Wow, gold.
That's a nice color.
You don't like it? When we are filled with Jesus, life is filled with joy.
Yeah, the color is ugly.
He doesn't like the color. Eh, yung nail polish ko pa naman na binili
not
ganito
this.
kulay. Yeah. That's nice too. How much is that?
It's so nice that they want $3 for this one.
Haha. That because it's big, I think.
Probably.
Yeah, $3. Ito oh, $2 na lang. May nakaset. Hindi naman kami umiinom, so never mind. Look at yourself. Come here. Look at yourself. Look at yourself. Look at me. Anong oras na ba? Tapos na kami sa ano, guys? Goodwill. And then we are here at Tejas Center. Diyan kami kakain for dinner para di na ako magluto kasi pagod na ako. Carter's Burger. Sikat daw to sa US. Burger, guys. So, wala akong cheese. So, dapat pala nagsabi ako cheese. Gusto ko, but anyway. Yeah, may fries na kasama. And then, hindi ako order ng ibang vegetables kasi may kasama siyang vegetables. Lettuce lang at saka tomato yung hiningi ko. Then, yung sa kids, regular lang. At mayroon silang pang kids menu na. Pang kids na burger. Then for Nicole, same sila ni Ashley. Yan, same kami ni Belle. Tinabi yung ano, onion. Oh my God! Kakaiba. I think the burger was being grilled, not fried. No. Lamig siya, guys. Sarap. Hindi na ako magluluto pag uwing bahay, guys. Ito na yung dinner namin. So, makapapahinga ako pagdating na bahay. You like the ice cream, di ba? You like... Ang ingon ni Daddy, pag ma-finish mo ang hamburger and fries, yeah, we'll get you ice cream. Come on, do it. Nope. So that's for kid meal. Maybe a toddler meal for her. Divide 2. 1/2 pa sa kids meal kasi grabe ang bilis na mabusog. How do you feel now that you got your ice cream? How do you feel? What do you have?
Cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. You have the same flavor.
Well, they got bluebells.
Are you happy now? Careful. She's throwing the trash. Sundog sa daddy. Throw away. This one too. We're gonna take this. I'm so full. Thank you. Hala, ang birds! Wow! Callie! We've been away for... Uy, help sabi. Yash, help sabi. Yan ang ano. Sige, go. Okay, go. Come on. Sige pa. Oops. Okay, enough na. That's enough. Tingnan niyo yung mga binili namin. OMG. This is what we've got today. Well, actually, I still have it at my bag. O, diba? So, we went to, ano ba to? Oh, Platos. Platos. So, ito yung Platos closet na pinuntahan namin kanina, guys, nung umulan pa. Then, actually, they are like selling pre-love din, but then they are more sila yung talagang malinis, na walang mancha, walang anything. Yung kanilang pre-love items there. So, medyo may kamahalan siya konti. So, anyway, si Belle, he got, ano sa mga hindi pa mga, sabi niya, may brand siyang nakita. Sabi niya, like, yung brand na yan, mahal yan. So, kinuha niya to, long sleeve.
Wow, I love that.
And then, hoodies. Kay daddy na. Ay, di ba maigot ni daddy? Ganun yung
That's mine.
pag nagkuha siya hoodies, akala ko sa kanya to.
I don't yung para imo na.
Ay, basta parang mo. Ako
Ay,
na, di
pwede,
ka.
pang warm. Hoodies, and then binili ko siya. Like, divided na brand for only $6. At saka, wala talaga siya kahit ano, guys. As in, very worth it siya, guys. Oh, yan yung binili namin sa platos. Ito naman yung sa aming Kali. Ito naman yung binili namin sa Goodwill kanina, guys. Meron kami nakitang, ayan, pang winter. O, diba? Pinag-ano na namin yung pang winter natin kasi para sure. So, yung brand naman niya is GAP na brand. Like, oh my gosh. Kasi ipasot ako ni ganyan. Yashli, di ba? Yes, for Yashli. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ano talaga siya, guys? Does it look like used? I mean, for only, magkano ba to? $8. $8 lang siya. And then, ano pa to? Kay daddy to. Oh, mga binili niya pang church tong binili niya, guys. Mga long sleeve. Halos yung binili niya yung belt for himself. And then, ito naman, kay Belle to, long sleeve din. Ano brand to siya? Ito, mga gipili daddy. And then, ano ba tawag ito? Nick pillow? Yung pang airplane ba na pillow?
Set.
And then, magkano lang to? How much is this? $3. Ay, nice. Very soft. $3. Kasi sabi niya, nung nagpunta siya ng Las Vegas, sumakit daw yung liig niya. Gustong-gusto na sana niya bumili ng ganito sa airport. Sobrang mahal, $30. So, anyway, kay Nicole, pink na hoodie, $8. O, diba? Nangukay sa USA. Ganito pala ang buhay mangukay sa USA, guys. Mahal gihapon ang ukay-ukay sa USA. Ito kay Ashley to. $5. Diba? What else do we have? And then, meron tayo. Ito yung binili. Ito naman talaga yung plano namin. Kaya kami nagpunta ng Goodwill. Yung parang sa photoshoot ni Ashley. So, bumili kami ng overcoat na Calvin Klein. Yung kanyang brand. And right, it's only $8. So, gamit na siya kasi pre-love. Pero maganda pa talaga siya, guys. Parang walang taksa ba? Sabi ko, susutin niya ito para sa photoshoot lang. And then, may nakita akong t-shirt.
Hanggang di ka na.
Ang bahay.
Ulam.
Nice siya. Baka puti siya ng tawag ba? Pwede ko ito ipare sa ano, jeans. $6. Ang daddy gihapon, Ralph Lauren. Oh my God. Kung alam niyo lang yung brand na yan, guys. Ralph Lauren. Tama ba yung pagka-pronounce? So, magkano? $8. Huwag kang mag-twerk dyan. Kali. And then, meron pang Vans. Kaya
That's
dito.
mine.
Vans for only $8. And then, mayroon kaming libro from Timothy. Meaning, ano ni Paul Vance Daddy? Ano eh?
Ha?
Tapos ko ba dito?
Saan na?
Uy! Gusto makakali mo? The Meaning of Marriage. Hala, pabasahan ako niya sa libro. Pinapabasa na ako ni Daddy sa kanyang libro, The Meaning of Marriage. And then, manga. This is for Yashli kasi mahilig siya mag-drawing. And then, kang Nicole, ito oh. Yung kanyang Remembrance of My First Holy Communion. Nakita niya ito doon sa Goodwill. Sabi niya, bili ko yan, ma. Ano lang ito eh, parang $2 lang. Yan, $1.99. And then, meron pa. Sobrang cute ito. Hindi ako maka-get over. Tingnan niyo naman to, guys. Sobrang cute pang baby Daddy, sabi nila, bakit mo binili? Naalala ko si Amara. Ipapadala ko to sa box, guys. Tingnan niyo, ang cute. Maganda sana kung may partner. Bibigay ko to kay Amara, yung anak ng friend ko na nasa Pinas, guys. Ibibigay ko to. Super cute talaga. Oh. Ay, naku. Kaya lang to yan, $4.
May
Mura. Tapos parang hindi naman nasusuot. Tingnan niyo naman yan, guys. Wala Ako na lang suot. BB gum. Yung kanya nakalagay. Anyway, hinintay ko tong bukas. No, hinintay ko pala yung hinintay ko yung tent ng cuticle tent and then yung isang pink na kulay para makapaglinis ako ng kuko. Kasi yun talaga yung kailangan ko, guys. Message ko siya sa Instagram kasi yung plano magkita kami tomorrow. Friday tomorrow, di ba?
Magkita mo in real life?
Yeah.
Okay.
School man mo. And then, yeah, kasi ipipick up ko yung bili niya sa akin para sa Coco ba. Hindi siya available man dito sa US. So, para makapaglagay na tayo ng ating cutics. Guys, tignan mo, guys. Tcharam! Nicole, ay